Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Wet n Wild Pinky Swear and the Bridal Nail 02. I'm starting off with this beautiful polish Pinky Swear. I've already got my base coat on and dry, and I was planning on giving all of those Wet n Wild polishes away in a giveaway. I was like, oh, I don't really need them. But after playing around with them, I've just decided, oh my gosh, I have to keep them. They're so gorgeous. So 2 coats of this beautiful polish will wrap this one up. And we're going to get ready for some top coat here. And here we go. Today I'm using Moonshine Manis. Let's go, top coat. It's beautiful formula on these polishes. Here's my swatch photo. And the Bridal Nail 02 is the plate we're going to be using today. And I'm going to get that blue film off of it real quick and clean it off with some acetone and a paper towel. I'm going to get it nice and clean here. And today I'm going to be using this purple powder that I got from Glamerliz. And I've got my monocle stamper and my clear jelly scraper, as well as Game Over by Brave Steva. Now I'm using an old stamper that has a tear in it, and that's what I save these old stampers for, is for stuff like this. And I'm burnishing in some of that powder. I guess it's chrome powder. But I've burnished it into the stamper, and now I'm putting polish on the image that I'm wanting to pull up. And we're just going to cover that really well. It's got a lot of open space. Do my scrape, and then lining it up with making sure it's getting that powder on there. And then we're going to stamp this powder right onto the nail. It's kind of hard to see because, you know, the powder and the stamped image is kind of blocking stuff. But that turned out beautiful. Clean that stamper off on a lint roller. Just go over it a few times. And then I clean up what I can with a piece of tape from around my nail. Getting some of that stamping polish and chrome powder up. Not too bad of a mess. And then I'm going to go in and do that again. I'm kind of patting it in at first, and then I kind of rub it in. Kind of a better angle of it this time. And set that to the side and get ready to do our stamping. I'm going to use the middle image here. I'm using all 3 of them across the bottom. I'm just running that across the 3 nails there. Pick that image up, try to line it up the best you can, and voila! And once again, here we go for the ring fingernail. And I just really like this method of this. This is very, very much doable for me. It's not too messy. It's just like stamping, only a little better. There we go. Now line this one up. There we go, we got it. Beautiful. And I've decided to use a little bit of this image over here for my pinky nail. Ta-da! Beautiful. And when I get done, I clean the whole plate off with acetone and a paper towel. Just get crazy with that cleanup. Just flip it all around. And then I've got to clean up the mat too, but I'll do that off camera. And I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and some acetone. And I did clean all of the fingertips up with some tape first to get what I could off. But for my final cleanup, I'm using the Maniology cleanup brush and some acetone. I'm really liking this Maniology cleanup brush. I'm going to top this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology, of course. And once it's dry, I'll be using Moonshine Manis. Let's go. And we're going to seal this in. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.